Hey guys, get ready for these amazing gadgets that can make your life more easier and interesting with its features. With this pen which makes it easier to read and understand different languages. This amazing camera that can give you perfect home security in your absence. Amazing bag easy to go on the way anytime. We have some great options for you ahead in this video. You're watching Review Buddy. We bring amazing tech videos and content for you with amazing stuff to buy and enjoy. Consider subscribing so you won't miss any new videos. Amazon or the official links for all the products shown in this video can be found in the description of the video, so after watching it, make sure to check them out. C-Pen. Introducing the C-Pen, one of the most advanced text-to-speech scanners. C-Pen is the latest addition to the language translation market with its innovative and smart text-to-speech scanner. The ability to switch between languages freely means that translators always have the correct language installed on their computers. Plus, with the C-Pen, you can be sure that your translations will be accurate and complete. The C-Pen is the perfect handheld text pen reader. It's super portable and responsive, used without Wi-Fi, has a built-in dictionary and 12,000 mAh rechargeable battery. The C-Pen 8 GB of onboard memory is a powerful device that will help you take notes and edit files with ease. The small but powerful display screen means that you can keep your presentations and memos on hand for quick reference. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to be their own boss or stay connected while on the go. IWALK Charger. Introducing the IWALK Charger, the compact and ultra-friendly power bank that's perfect for on the go. This external battery pack compatible with iPhone 4S, 5, 6, 7 provides up to 12 volts DC of power. So you can keep your devices powered up even when you're far from an outlet. Plus, its small size makes it easy to carry around, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. The IWALK charger is the smallest, lightest, and most powerful 9,000 mAh battery charger on the market. With built-in lightning cable, this product is perfect for travel or when you don't have a power outlet nearby. PARROT Swing. The PARROT Swing flypad is designed for aerial acrobatics and high-speed racing. With dual flight mod, you can take advantage of its superior speed to achieve your goals. Additionally, the flexible design makes it easy to adjust your angle and height while flying. This flypad speeds up to 19 miles per hour in plane mod, 180-degree turns and barrel rolls. Plus, it works with or without your smartphone. With this powerful tool, you'll be able to handle any airfield more easily and safely. ROBOT-COUPE MICROMIX. Looking for a kitchen mixer that can do it all? Look no further than our ROBOT-COUPE kitchen micromixer. This small mixer is great for blending small quantities of soups, sauces, pastes, batters, eggs, and more. With its 10-inch arm shaft and 7-inch whisk, this blender is powerful and easy to operate. Plus, the mini power mixers are perfect for people who need a similar and smaller mixer in their kitchen. ARLO Essential Spotlight Camera. With a touch of a button, you can have your camera send live video footage to your smart home for viewing and recording. The ARLO Essential Spotlight camera captures clear details in full high definition, records videos in 1080p, wide 130 viewing angle, coverage from every corner. With its innovative design, the ARLO Essential will let you capture videos with good details and watch it in perfect clarity on your device. The witness system also allows for easy pan and zoom so you can get the perfect shot from any angle. With ARLO Essential Spotlight cameras, you'll get more at night with an easy wireless system. You can see more of what's in your backyard with increased flexibility, making it perfect for home security. Plus, these smarter alerts will help you take quick action if there's theft in your neighborhood. The ARLO Essential Spotlight camera is a weather-resistant two-way audio camera that connects directly to your Wi-Fi for fast, weather-resistant outdoor shooting. It's easy to set up and easy to recharge. Plus, it works seamlessly with your smart home so you can control the camera from anywhere in your house. INRUCA. If you're looking for a way to organize your daily activities and make them easier to find, the INRUCA handbag is the perfect option. With INRUCA, you can feel confident knowing that your assets are being protected at all times. With real-time asset monitoring, anti-theft, and forgot alerts, you can be sure that nothing is going to happen to your belongings without your knowledge. Plus, with a fingerprint lock and location tracking capabilities, you will always know where your belongings are located. INRUCA handbags carry the way you want. Convert to a briefcase, recharge on the move with a power bank, effortlessly attached to a suitcase. This versatile and stylish bag comes with many features that make it perfect for daily use or travel. Whether you're on the go or at home, an INRUCA handbag will get the job done. Not only does it have an automatic light that opens up like a suitcase, but it also has room for everything. Plus, if you need to take your water bottle with you on the go, the bag will display information about the temperature in real time. Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. Introducing the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, a top-of-the-line smartwatch that resists daily scratches, self-healing properties, and dust-free design. With one push, this device is easy to install, perfect for busy professionals who want their watches to look good while performing well. The Huawei Watch GT Pro screen protector is designed to protect your device from scratches and damage. It has a flexible plastic film that can adjust brightness according to your needs, 4H hardness, and is designed for sure protection against bumps, shocks, and falls. This sleek new device features an advanced touch-sensitive display, making it perfect for privacy and anti-fingerprint protection. With its matte finish and private anti-shatter technology, the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a high-quality watch. ROCCAT PYRO. ROCCAT PYRO gaming keyboard gives you the immersive gaming experience that you deserve. With RGB lighting and amio illumination, this keyboard is perfect for gamers who want to show off their skills in the bright lights of day or at night. The detachable wrist palm rest allows you to jump into the game, no matter where you are. The keyboard has a linear mechanical switch, brushed aluminum top plate, and dedicated volume wheel. Additionally, the ROCCAT PYRO keyboard has built-in button duplication technology so that you can easily create custom buttons without having to purchase any additional hardware. It is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable, durable, and customizable keyboard. Whether you need to duplicate keys or change layouts, ROCCAT PYRO is sure to meet your needs. Which one do you think is the best? Don't forget to check the links in the description to get it for you. See you with another great video.